And when you walk yourself inside my crosshairs, I'm going to hug the trigger. And I'm going to drop you. You can't withhold this from me. When you have that, unstoppable. Unstoppable. And then when you have the model in your hand and you know exactly how you're going to perform with it, you have no idea. You have no idea the potential you have then. Every goal that you ever set, smashed. Every goal that you ever imagined within your reach, smashed. And you're going to look around and say, man, I did not have high enough goals. This was too easy. This was too easy. But while you're going through it, it seems impossible. They're not doing it. So why are you taking other people's advice that aren't doing shit? If they're not doing better than you, they don't have any opinion on how to make you better. Cut it out. You want to be self-sufficient. You want to be able to make this money on your own. You don't want to listen to me. You don't want to listen to anybody else. You don't even want to be on social media. Fuck these people. You don't want to give a shit about what they say about you. You don't care. You don't give a shit if they see what house you live in. You don't give a shit what kind of car you drive, how much money you got in the fucking bank. You don't care about none of that because you're living your life. You're taking care of your family. If it fucking offends you, I don't give a shit. Move on down the fucking road because this is where the rubber meets the road, folks. No one's going to protect you. I can't protect you. You're going to fuck it up if you fuck it up and you did it in your own hands. But if you do the due diligence and say, I'm cutting all the bullshit out today. I'm cutting it all out. I got no excuses now. He said it. I got no excuses. It's there. It's in the charts every single day, every single week. This is the hardest, easy money you've ever made. And the only thing that complicates it is the person you see in the mirror. How long are you going to let that person in the reflection of that mirror hold you back? You think you look like that person in the reflection of that mirror. You don't. You don't. It's backwards. And it's not shocking when you think about how we think ass backwards. We think about things backwards because we don't think we deserve it. Bullshit. You deserve it. The fact that you're still listening to me, bloviate. You know you want it. You can fucking taste it. It's ready. It's within grasp. You know it's there. You just gotta keep digging. It's gonna happen for you. I have dozens other ones that I'm begging for them to come forward. New step. New string in her step. Why? Because they don't need ICT no more. And guess what, baby? Woo! That's exactly what you do when you graduate. Fuck you, ICT. Thanks, brother. See ya. That's exactly how I want you to do. I don't want you tethered to me. I don't want you constantly tethered to me. I want you to say, thank you so much, but I ain't got time to be messing with you no more. I got things to do. Places to be. Boom. That's exactly how you leave the nest. That's it. We're done.
Yo, yo, yo. Good morning, chat. How are we doing, boys and girls? Happy hump day. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Say what's up in the chat. Hit the like button. We are almost to market open here, so we're like 15 seconds away. I better not miss the opening bell. Good morning, guys. What's up, CJS, Kelsick the Trader, Jose, No Gamble, No Futcha, Hindsight King, PJW, Derzette, Conrad, Big Head Reef, Xavier, DeLucas, Choya, Gecko, The Wing of Chewy, Big Head Reef. Good morning, guys. Good morning. There's our opening bell. Didn't want to miss it. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Soné. Good to see you. Good morning, Michael. What's up, Scott Scalper? Welcome in, boys and girls. Alrighty. First things first, guys. Economic calendar today. Nothing. We have Trump speaking later tonight at 8:30, it says here. What is this? Due to speak at the Great American State Fair in Washington, D.C. Is that big, like, 4th of July big fair starting already, or what is it, the 24th? Is that started already, or is that something different? Does anybody know? But Trump speaking later tonight at 8:30. 5 hours ago, the Islamabad Memorandum of Understanding became a declaration of the U.S. Oh, okay. Otherwise, yeah, no news, no 10 a.m. news or anything like that today. Obviously, it goes without saying, the higher time frames, hourly, 4-hour on these charts do look like absolute dog shit, if I'm being honest. But better than a 3% dump overnight, I suppose. Let me turn that down a little bit. Yeah, so... yeah, as far as the draw for today, I mean, I don't really have necessarily any new, you know, we didn't do a whole lot yesterday, so not a whole lot has changed. Obviously, we've got the swing low at 518 still intact. That it would be nice if price would come run out these lows, run that out with it as well. But really what I'm going to be planning to do here today is probably stay patient, wait for price to run one side of the range that we've just built up, right? We've just been building up this consolidation range, waiting for price to run one side of the range out and then look to trade to the opposing side of the range, to be honest with you. So that is going to be my plan for this morning. Then we'll mark out these lows as well. Previous day low here, 577. Like SAR. But yeah, man, not gonna lie, the 1 hour and a 4 hour look like a shite. They look like shite, boys. So hopefully things open up here a little bit and get some volume here in the New York session. Get some movement. What's up, everybody? Later when have time, check gold. Want to buy actual gold? Yeah, let me give gold a check. We're not missing anything right now, to be honest, on indices at the moment. Holy cow. Damn. Oh, wow. Silver's also down 5%. Oh. So we got gold tanking and silver tanking and oil tanking. Remember this. Meanwhile, well, we're just not really moving a whole lot here on the indices. We're down like what off the all-time high? 4%, 4.5% off the all-time high in the indices. Kind of holding the range up here. So, yeah, not the worst idea, Scott Scalper, I guess. Or depending on how you view things, you know, some people out there would say Bitcoin is the new gold. So we are what, like 50? What are we at off the all-time high? 50 something percent. Is anybody DCAing some Bitcoin here? Or are you guys waiting for a lower? I'm still personally waiting for lower. Yeah, we're like 50% like right now. 51%. I'll probably personally start adding some more BTC. Like down here. 50,000, maybe just under 50,000. But yeah. Yes, sir. All right. Alrighty. Good morning, guys. What's up, guys? You're getting skinny. Thanks, man. I think that's a compliment. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. 1 hour wick CE was the low of day yesterday, Z Trade says. Is that the level that you were mentioning yesterday, Z Trades, this hourly CE? I believe so. We were talking about this hourly CE and then the hourly low, right? Yeah, yes, sir. Looks like that is indeed the low. Literally, like fucking spot on, actually. Hell yeah. But then again, like we haven't done anything like off of it either, right? Like this has just been holding a crazy sideways range. I mean, look at this. This is the 15-minute. 15-minute hourly. Obviously the 4 hour looks look at this 4 hour chart. What the fuck? Oh. upside target would be like, yeah, the 30,046. Obviously, still have the opening range gap, constant encroachment from yesterday, as well as that 4-hour gap, well, the 4-hour candle high, 4-hour gap low. That's so dirty, bro. If this fucking shoots straight up without taking these lows out, that's just gonna piss me right off. But yeah, let me see the poll in the chat. What do we got today? 46% of the chat is bearish. 29% of the chat is bullish. A little bit more bears than bulls. A little bit more bears than bulls. I mean, like I said, I want to wait for just basically one side of this range to get swept and then try to catch the reversal to the other side of the range. I mean, I would prefer to see us take the low of the range first and then set up the long. That'd be my ideal scenario. I think. How many peptides in blood tests you have? I took retatrutide. I'm basically done with Reta though. I'm literally just finishing off whatever I had left in my last vial. I think I literally have like 1 milligram left. I've been tapering down for like, I don't even know, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, something like that. But yeah, retatrutide. Reta's actually insane. For any of you guys that have dabbled with peptides at all, Reta is pretty nuts. What else? GHKCU. I did just start BPC 157 and TB 500 for recovery. And I am also adding in a little bit of Tessa. Well, yeah, that's basically it. My peptide experience has been pretty, I mean, pretty good, I'd say. Pretty good. As far as like blood work, I did the, some of you guys were in the Discord. I sent it in there. The rhythm labs. It's like an at-home test they send you, and then you basically collect your sample, send it in. The results came back literally within like 48 hours, I think. Everything was looking good. Everything was looking good. I sound like Barry Bonds. I don't even know what that means. Barry Bonds? Isn't that guy a baseball player? Barry Bonds? Is that right? Barry Bonds. Yeah. He's a baseball player. He was juiced up. Was he? Is he taking like steroids or something? Oh, I wish. No, I'm too pussy for that shit. Is that a Kanye song? It might be. If we take the high of the range first, I'll still be looking for that hourly low to be hit. Yeah, I just think it's better when we get in these accumulation ranges like this to like not try to predict what we do, you know, what side of the range we take out first, because we could keep chopping back and forth, you know, at the highs, and if you're expecting a breakout, you could get, you know, chopped out of it that way. If you're expecting, you know, a breakout to the downside, could be the same exact thing. Like, we have no idea how long this will last, so usually just better to wait for one side of the range to be manipulated above or below, and then try to catch the reversal to the other side. Could get cucked. Exactly. That's the word I was looking for, Felix. Yeah. Thank you. So yeah, man, that's that though. But yeah, do we have news tomorrow? Yeah, PC price index, final GDP. I was gonna say, man, it's been kind of like, I don't know what your guys' opinion is on the month of June so far, but oh man, I feel like the month of June has kind of just been meh. you know, it's had like a couple highlight moments, but then it's also just kind of been like a lot of just, So yeah, Pride Month is, well, you guys know what I'm saying. Yeah, how have you guys done so far this month, would you say? It just feels like, especially recently, like, obviously we had like the bank holiday last week and everything. You know, it just feels like last week so far. This week feels like a dud so far. Do you hike in nature with your dog, or liking the city walks? I mean, that's a good question. I used to go on like nature like hikes like a lot more. To be honest with you, I kind of got, so my dog is like, he listens pretty well, but if he fucking sees an animal, especially deer, mainly deer, if he sees an animal, bro, he's literally just gone. Like, sees red, doesn't hear a thing I'm saying, chases that thing, and I'll have to spend like 30 minutes like trying to find him. I do have a tracker on his like his harness and stuff for like dire emergencies, but yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I have a little bit of trouble trusting him off leash, only in the event of like an animal like fucking pops up. Diarrhea emergency. Is that what I said? Because that is what I meant. Fake news? What do you mean fake news? What's fake news? Blew an eval account earlier this week, says Rao. Yeah, better than a funded. I think the first 2 weeks of June were good. Getting a good retracement on the higher time frame. Been trash since. Yeah. USA nuked Israel. The market. What? USA nuked Israel? No, they didn't. The market's about to go sky high. I think the market would die if that happened. Yeah, no. The United States would never nuke Israel. If anything, the Israel would nuke the United States. Plane plus Tyler Stream. You're on the plane right now. Sky high. Mile High Club, Anthony. Where are you going, man? Also, good to see you, man. Hope you're doing well. He's a hound dog. That would be insane, yes. That would be insane. Should we wait for news? What news do we have today? I don't think we have any news. Unless it's like yellow folder. Oh, we have, I guess we have yellow folder news at 10, but no, I'm not too worried about yellow folder. But I'm waiting regardless, just because we're in this range and I don't want to trade inside this range. I want to see us go take out the lows, and then a long would be nice. A long would be nice at that point. Yes, choppy, choppy, choppy. Going back to the old Sunshine State. Oh. Safe travels, man. Should we set alerts on the dealing range high, low, and just go back to sleep? You could do that, Rao. You could do that, but then you might miss a giveaway. Hit the like button, chat. Hey, every single one of you is 350 of you right now. Hit the like button right this second. Don't hesitate. Run, don't walk. Hit the like button, chat. Hit the like button. Only if you want a giveaway. I was thinking, what was I thinking? Oh, I'm forgetting it now. I hate when that happens. Do you guys ever have a good idea and then just totally brain fart? Guys, does that ever happen to you guys? More coffee it is. Wow, Felix. That, there's no way that would be free. Unless it was your mom asking. Oh! Wait for it, wait for it. These last 2 days have destroyed your mental, LMAO. Dude, like, honestly, this whole week, every single day, well, Monday I did take off. Like, yesterday I woke up, we saw the big dump. I'm like, I might fucking take today. Like, this is yesterday. I was like, I might take yesterday off. Thank you for the silver star to 2 jewels. Midnight, back at it again. What's up, man? I still don't know what the jewels do, to be honest with you, man. You never told me what they did yesterday. I still don't know what they do. I guess I could just Google it. But yeah, no, this week, like, Monday I took off. Yesterday I woke up, I'm like, I could have taken off yesterday morning. This morning was kind of the same thing. Like, every single day so far this week, waking up and looking at price, it's kind of been like, could have very easily just said, nah, not messing with this. Let me look up what this freaking, what do these jewels do? YouTube chat. Jewels? A virtual currency used by viewers to buy interactive digital gifts for creators during eligible live streams and to hype up videos. So it says the jewels can be used to hype your favorite creator's videos, increasing the chances of the video appearing on leaderboards. Dang. Huh. Yeah, I've literally never heard of those before, but thank you, Midnight. Thank you for the jewels, sir. Salute to you, my friend. All right, boom. There's previous day low. There we go. There is previous day low. Thank you, Midnight. I appreciate you, man. Thank you, thank you. I have a feeling price is going to dump now. TP hit soon. It's like a money thing you can use to promote, I think. Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. I literally never heard of those before, Midnight. I learned something new because of you. So there's previous day low. Obviously, SMTing with ES at this point as well. So here's NQ, and here's ES on the left. But yeah, ES nowhere near the previous day low. And, oh my gosh, we're already in the macro already. Holy shit. We are already in the macro. Oh, God. Holy reversal. 1 minute change in the state of delivery off that already. Is this just going to V-shape right back up? That's fucking crazy. Oh, man. 150 points. That's the strongest hourly wick CE ever. It's fucking doing work, I'll tell you that. It is doing work, C-Trades. Sure, I'll do the I'll put the limit on this gap for now. I don't know if it'll get picked up or not, but well, the RR is fine. Like, the RR on this is what, 2.2? The RR is not the problem here. The problem is, do we get picked up? Yeah, that is the problem. Oh, there's Nika. Getting laid off my tech sales job at 9:15, so I gotta at 9:15, so I gotta make these payouts. 9:15 today. Cap the Great. All right. Just got filled on my limit order there. Oops. Yes, sir. Oh, man. Well, hey. I guess what you're telling me is you got an opportunity then to focus all your energy on on trading. I wish you the best of luck, Cap the Great. Don't rush it. But good luck. Brave longing here. Thanks. But yeah, all reasons for the trade. Swept previous day low, SMT with previous day low, 10 o'clock macro, obviously 1 minute changing the state higher. So wanting to see the opposing liquidity of this accumulation range that we've built up be traded to now. So that's really the thought process here. Bring out the monkey. We'll save the monkey. Let's get back above New York midnight, and then we'll bring out monkey. You long the 30-second? 30-second. Down here. I guess we shall see, boys. We shall see. Kind of just hanging at the entry here, but looks all right for now. New hour is about to open up in 1 minute. Yeah, just following my plan, boys and girls. Wanted to see a range sweep of one side or the other and then target the opposing. Either it works or it don't. Either the 10 a.m. macro delivers us from evil or it dicks us down. New hour here, by the way. think Hatem just got stopped break even there on the 30-second. Let's see, though, if it saves him from an L. My stop is the low. Moment of truth, boys. Moment of truth. We need this hourly wick to support. Still holding. Oh. Yeah, I guess we'll see. I'm not going to close this early or anything. I'm just going to let it play out. I mean, this is really my only idea for today was quite literally sweep one side of the range and then try to target the opposing side. So, I mean, if it's not going to work out right now, then realistically, we're probably waiting until 10:30, at least 11 o'clock. So... Can gold movement also give an indication of movement on the NQ? That's a good question. I'm not too sure. I don't really pay too much attention to gold, if I'm being honest with you. You'd have to ask people in the chat that maybe trade gold a little bit more. But I was always taught that it was kind of an inverse correlation just because the indices are a risk-on asset versus gold and, you know, metals was kind of a safe haven. So if anything, you would think that would be an inverse correlation. Yeah. I kind of think less correlation. Yeah. If I tried to factor in what gold was doing with what indices are doing, I would probably psych myself out of a lot of shit. I used to use the dollar, like the DXY, but even that was kind of a lot. Easy to get tricked on that as well. It's already easy enough to get tricked with like NQ and ES and YM doing different things. Like, it's already easy to get tricked just with the three indices. All right, well, we're back at the entry. Do we have an unmitigated gap on the 4 hour? We do. We do have an unmitigated gap on the 4 hour, yes. Oh, we might be talking about different gaps. I'm talking about the one above price. I'm talking about this one up here. Do we have one? Oh, you're talking about this one down here? Yeah, if we go here, I'm fucked. If we go here, I'm definitely cooked. No doubt about it. Could you factor in everything that could go wrong just so we can think about how much of a chance there is we might lose? Sure. Everything that could go wrong. We have SMT at the highs with YM and ES technically at these internal range highs. There's a 4 hour gap that's also open below price that we just pointed out. Who fucking knows? A bomb could drop at any moment. So, yeah, I don't know. It's either going to go up or down. But there's SMT on both sides. I feel like even bringing up SMT at this point is like a lost cause. It's like there's always SMT on both sides of the market at this point. Like, but yeah, having a hard time getting back above this gap, ain't it? Not good. 10 a.m. macro is about to be over with, by the way. Not looking the best. There you have it, folks. It could go up or down. That's true. I mean, if that's not A+ analysis, I don't know what is. SMT in 2026, honestly though. Let's just delete that. Let's just delete SMT from our vocabulary at this point. I honestly do feel like there's been a lot of cases where SMT has been, I don't know, if you're relying on it, it's just like, it does you more harm than good in a lot of cases. In these markets. It's not looking G, I agree. Yeah. We'll see, though. We'll see. I'm really going to try not to close this early and just let it, you know, accept the risk and just let it fucking play out. Not try to overmanage it in these choppy-ass conditions. You know, I had the idea coming into the session. I executed when the idea presented itself. You know, either I'm right or I'm wrong, right? That's all I can do. That is all a guy like me can do. Gabe says that he's short, so I will lose. Gabriel, I hope you get fucked. May the best trader win. One of us will get fucked. We're close to POC. Oh no. What POC are we close to? Like, what time frame are you marking that out from? Or what range, I should say. Oh, fuck. Gabriel, you might be right. I might be screwed here. This is like a brick wall, this gap right here. I might be fucked. Might be SOL. Is the market made one more CISD from the last one? No. No. A change in the state of delivery has to come after we actually take out like a new low or a new high. This is literally just chopping in here. I'm scared. But we'll hold through it. Fuck them. Right, chat? Sometimes all you can say is fuck them. POC is point of control. Volume profile. No, I haven't been watching the World Cup, to be honest. Not much of a soccer guy myself. But let's say if USA can turn some heads, maybe I'll have to take a gander. Yeah, it does kind of feel like the floor is about to just open up on this, and I'm just going to get ran out in record time here, but we'll see. Not great. 5 minute kind of looks a little heavy. Yeah, I used to use volume profile. That used to be... But he said that we're close to the POC. I don't. Did he say what range did he mark that out from? Like current week, or is it like a previous week? I might have missed his message. Yeah, it could be. Holy fucking PA. I guess. More of the same of what we already had here, I guess. Like, come on, man. Like, look how fucking clean this is right here. Look how fucking clean these highs are. Or is that what they want me to think, chat? Is that what they want me to think? Nvidia just went under a major level. So what you're saying is we just swept sell side on Nvidia, and now we're turtle swooping back to the highs. Is that what you're saying? Fingers crossed. New 15 just opened up. This might be it. This might be it. I don't know. I might have to, I might just take the rest of the month off at this rate. Might just have to see you guys in July. You're in short, gang. All right, I hope you get fucked, but you're looking like I'm gonna get fucked. So. Shit. You were trading Asia last night, and those highs were your target as well. Toaster bath? Nah, I mean, it is what it is. I followed my plan. It's whatever. Fuck them. Still gay, though. But yeah, man, that's really like my only idea for the day. So it's like, you know, I'm still gonna be looking for basically the same thing, even if we're looking for the same thing at like 10:30 or 11. So, yeah. The trade is absolutely, especially after like closing blow here, the trade is absolutely to a point where it's just like probably could just close it, but. Made your last winning day on Lucid just now. How long does it take to be able to request? It's quick, man. Congratulations, by the way, Derzit. Did I say that right? Derzit. Congrats, man. But it's fast. Giveaway. Well, like the stream, man. Like the stream. Yeah, well, I only did 2 micros just because the fucking stop loss on this thing was 147 points. All right, so I almost was going to do 1 micro and then try to add later. You can still win this? I think I'm fucked. I think I'm cooked, but we'll see. Crazier things have happened, I guess. But yeah, I think it's cooked. You blew the giveaway. Oh, jeez. It is me. What are you doing? I think we're at least going to come down now to 518. So maybe that 4 hour that's below price that we pointed out as well. Yeah. So in all likelihood, probably we got Dow Jones. Dow Jones is working up new highs right now. ES and NQ are a little weaker. Yeah, so if I show you guys like YM here, like here's YM. So like YM structurally on the 15 is above these highs. Looks very strong. But you can see NQ right here. Very weak. So should have longed YM, I guess. What did the 1 minute look like here? There's my stop loss, by the way, chat. Right. Yep. All right. I'm stopped out of that, by the way. Where is this? 1 minute. Yeah, right here. Bummy. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I might fucking take the rest of the month off because this is just dog shit. I don't even know what the fuck is going on anymore. Oh. Either my ideas are wrong or my ideas are right and I get left behind. So it's like, what can I do? Going back to the weekly FEG. The weekly FEG. Where's the weekly FEG? Oh, geez, down here. Nika's always hella bearish. Did we even... No. Let's say we didn't even SMT like the all-time high other than with Dow maybe, but... Well, at least these weekly candles look fun. That's cool. Oh yeah, if this jet, brother in Christ, if this just fucking swept my ass out and just rips, I am going to actually I am going to actually come to somebody's house and touch them. I don't know who, but whoever volunteers as tribute. Yeah, I need to wait for the triples. No, this would be what, 1, 2, 3. Need to wait for the quadruple sweep. Four turtle soups, chat. Yeah, we'll see. I don't know. We stopped still just shy of that 518 level. This might just be a trap. Who fucking knows? Dow Jones is flying right now, though. That's crazy. Holy Dow Jones, jeez. Like, how do we go lower and still don't take out this level? Are you shitting me? Are you shiting me? Look at this big 90-minute gap, too. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. This got to be a trap, right? This got to be a trap or rage bait. Fuck. Got to be rage bait? Brother. Like, give me a break. Should have waited for the 1020 macro. It's called a broadening formation. Oh, thanks, man. Thanks, Rao. Appreciate it. Oh. Oh, what to do? What to do? You want to try the longs again, says Sean. I mean, that's kind of like the thought, but I really, I hate doing shit like that where it's like I get stop hunted and then I don't know. Yes, I do want longs. Like I told you guys, I still wanted to stick with the same idea even if I got ran out there, but goodness. It's just so fucking dirty. It's just so dirty, man. But yeah, we'll see. I'm trying to stay patient, not like rush back into this idea, but I am willing to replay it. All right, I'm in long there again. It's quite literally basically the same exact setup I had. Like, it's basically the same entry. Stop is roughly the same, maybe a little bit more steep, but I'm still going for this, which is a 2R. I'll give it one more try. If not, we'll cry. Thanks, Lone Wolf. I hope it works for me too. But yeah, I mean, if not, if not, RIP. RIP. Again, Blake? You blew another one, Blake? At least you're going down swinging. But yeah, thought for the stop loss placement is I do want to give it room for this. Like if it does want to retrace in here to like this inversion on the 3 minute. So my stop is just below the 3 minute candle that created the inversion. Oops. Tell me this doesn't look good though. Look me in the eyes with a straight face and tell me this don't look, oops, this don't look fantastic. Can't do it. Is this revenge trade? I'm not considering it a revenge trade, but if you would like to, you can, I guess. Makes no difference to me at the end of the day. Re-entry reason. Swept out the low. V-shape recovery. Here's our change in the state on the 1 minute here. Respecting bullish order flow here on the 1 minute. Inversion on the 3. And I entered when I did just because on this 1 minute we come down close candle, immediate engulfing candle back up, closing back above this fair value gap that I entered off initially. So I actually ended up with basically the same entry. I might maybe like a point difference, but basically the same exact entry that I had using the same fair value gap and same targets, obviously, right? So why would you long above the equal lows? What do you mean? Like these equal lows way down here? Is that what you're asking me, or? On the 4 hour? Well, yeah, man, I guess my I'm just playing the internal range here because I do want to see these equal lows as well, yeah, but I still think we retrace before going lower personally. So I guess that's kind of the reason. But my idea going into the day was just that we set up this accumulation range. Obviously, really like all of yesterday, all of last night. And I told you guys at the beginning of stream, I said I want to wait for one side of the range to get manipulated, and then I'm looking to target the opposing side of the range. Like that quite literally was my idea. And bro, I gotta stop these spam calls somehow. I'm getting spam calls the last few days like crazy. How do I make it stop? But anyway, no, so I'm just following through with my plan, I guess. All right. To me, it's setting up, right? We take out the low, previous day low here, changing the state, confirming the reversal. So I'm taking it, all right? Same thing here. Confirming the reversal off the lows, I'm taking it. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong, I guess. Yeah, dude, these spam calls have been blowing up my line the last few days, bro. Blowing up my line, dude. Literally, like, every hour on the hour, I get a spam call. Is BB calling? I would answer if it's BB. You might be able to give me some advice. I'd answer for BB. You got to answer for old Netanyahu. Yeah, nice respect to that gap there. What's up, buddy? Margin calling. Ah, oh, fuck. Wow, what time is it? 10:35. No. President Trump has canceled the signing of housing bill. Oh. Where'd you see that? Where'd you see such things? Oh, that's funny. I'm looking at the Discord right now, so I'm that's funny. Damn. Who copied who? Bro, I hired a Fiverr guy for mine, so I don't know. Maybe we hired the same fucking guy. That's funny, though. Oh, they're different, though. He's got gold here. I don't got gold on mine. That's funny, though. Walter Bloomberg. 3 shorts, 1 long scalp. 633, nice. Good on the day. Was planning on sitting out anyway. Nice. Always good to be green. I'm sitting a little red right now. We'll see how this trade plays out. Obviously one loss so far, so my chart looks better though. They look like the exact same. Fiverr, you know what I'm saying? Well, listen, I've created all my own thumbnails in the past, but everyone kept telling me that I needed a new one, so I was like, whatever, fuck you guys. My TP is wherever it hits first, basically. But like if I go show you ES and NQ here side by side, but I'm basically looking to target. Oh God, what did I click? I'm looking to target on the 4 hour here. This wick high on the 4 hour. So my guess is that ES will likely probably hit it first. But this is what my target is ultimately. Ignore these, but yeah. This is our Asia high up here at 980 or 891. Like break even. I mean, probably just this opening range high right here. Be good enough. Wouldn't want to see it come back at that point. I don't know. We might catch a lower retracement here. Just swept this internal high. We do have a 5-minute gap open below my entry. Story of Static. What's up, man? DXY. What's DXY doing? Losing momentum. I'm scared. It's just candlesticks. Have I made any trades today? Yes, I took one long in the 10 a.m. macro. Got ran out on that. I'm long again. Basically, literally like the exact same entry, pretty much. But yeah, second long attempt here. What ICT models do you usually use the most? I see people talk about IFEG a lot around here. I mean, yeah, liquidity sweeps, changing the state of delivery, inversion gaps, BPRs. I mean, really all I'm looking for is reversal off higher time frame levels, right? Previous day high low, previous week high low, previous session high low, and then dropping down to a lower time frame to get like a confirmation of some sort, right? Whether that's changing the state of delivery in the opposite direction, an inversion, etc. The news effect, what do you mean? We did not have any like news all week until tomorrow, really. Pass your challenge account. Nice, Hudson. Yeah, 5-minute gap just resting below price here. Might want to go tag that right here. But yeah. Yeah, fun market we're trading in this month, I'd say, huh? 10:43 by the way, so 15-minute close in 2 minutes. Failed yours, Bobby. Oh no. Me too, CJ. Yeah. Yeah. What do you do? What's up, Bugs Bunny? But yeah, man, hit the like button, chat. If you guys want to do a giveaway today, I don't know how many likes we're at so far. Let's see. 100 likes. Yeah. Can we get to, bro, can we get to 250? Can we get to 250 likes, chat? If we can get to 250 likes, we'll do a couple giveaways. We'll do some duck races, boys. If everybody hits the like button right now, we'll be golden. What do you think the market is doing? It's doing what it always does, man. Taking money from people. Going up or down? Hopefully up. Yeah, New York Asia trades. I agree. Why is that so difficult? We'll see. Getting a nice push here. New 15 minutes, by the way. Last 15-minute candle of the hour. So going into the 11 o'clock macro would be nice to just see price just make a nice little run to the upside here, huh? Right? Get this new hour open and see 11 a.m. just take right on off. Would be nice. Would be nice. Thank you, Lone Wolf. What do I think about the recent anti-ICT propaganda going around? I have not seen any anti-ICT propaganda, actually. Send some stuff in the Discord. Maybe I'll react to it. All right. There's the opening range high. I'm going to go break even there. Some follow through would be nice here. But yes, I have not seen any anti-ICT propaganda. If there is any anti-ICT propaganda going around, I say haram. Let me see some of it so I can react and defend our boy. We need to defend our father. An order flow trader. Oh. You know what's so funny about all these other like strategy traders? They all like they can't get views without using ICT's name. The reason that they use ICT's name is because it gets views. And that's not necessarily that's just true of anybody that's ICT trader or not an ICT trader. Even ICT traders use ICT's name because the name by itself, it's recognizable and it gets you views. I mean, that's not a secret, but it's the same goes for all these other strategies. You know what I'm saying? It's like, so I think there's something to be said about that, you know? But yeah, man, if you want to trade order flow or fucking support and resistance, I mean, who gives a shit? Just trade it. Here's what I've noticed. What I have noticed in my years of doing this is people want to shit on ICT all the time, and they want to shit on ICT traders. And obviously, yes, lots of people trade ICT concepts. Lots of people also get fucked trading ICT concepts, like newer traders, but they get fucked trading any strategy, as any new trader does. The people that I've also seen with the most success in trading are also ICT traders. So, I mean, we've all heard all the stories of like the record-breaking prop payouts and like these huge success stories in trading. Every single one of them is an ICT trader. Pretty much. It's like 90+% of them. Crypto Surfer, what's up, man? Good to see you. Late to class, yep. Just secured a payout. Nice, Cap the Great. Congrats, man. Hey, dude. So you Cap the Great. You said you're getting laid off from your tech sales job at 9:15. So you really got to lock in with trading, and now you just secured a payout. Off to a good start, man. Off to a good start. Congrats. Here comes the 11 a.m. macro, yeah. Hopefully it just gives us a nice run up here. Watching ES, though. ES 491 is that level, that 4-hour wick high. Hourly wick high. So, keeping an eye on that. The best trader don't trade ICT or order flow or support and resistance. Nobody knows them. That's because the best trader is a politician. They don't need to trade any of this technical. They don't even look at charts. Why would they ever need to look at charts? Giveaway time? Yeah, hit the likes, chat. How many likes are we at? 130 likes? What is wrong with you, boys and girls? Honestly, what is wrong with you? A lot of you need to go look in the mirror right now. And you need to hit the like button. Why do I need to bribe you? How many times do I need to blackmail you with free accounts? Why can't you guys just love me unconditionally? Oh my goodness. I know how to fix. I actually, you know what? I actually know how to fix this. I know how to fix this actually. What time is it? 10:52. All right, boys and girls, if you want to be in the giveaway today, go into the Discord, click on this giveaway icon, 10 minutes. 10 minutes, we're going to pick 2 winners, but the accounts will only be given away if we reach 250 likes on the stream by the end of the giveaway. It is 10 minutes long. If we do not reach the 250 likes, these accounts will be kept by me, and the winners will have to be sad. Are you allowed to participate, Choya? Sure. Sure. Yeah, the Discord link is in the description. I'll drop it. It's !Discord if you guys want to join the free Discord here. I do most of the giveaways in here. I do most of the or I do like all of the giveaway codes in here at least for sure. I got Lucid 50K flex, TRADEIFY 50K growth, and I have an Apex code yet, I think, as well. I'll let the winners pick, I guess. But yeah, if we're not at 250 likes on the stream, then too bad, too sad. Too bad, too sad. Should I put a little thing up here? Ah. Well, I guess moment of truth here, chat. We're trading down into a 5-minute, but we did sweep the opening range high. Didn't quite get to the Asia high. If this remains choppy in a range, might just get break even on this. Hopefully not, though. Hopefully not. Oh, I forgot the monkey. I forgot the monkey. I forgot. Take the banana to the monkey. Giveaway, 6 minutes, chat. 6 minutes. If you guys want to be in the giveaway, 5 minutes now. If you want to be in the giveaway, click the giveaway icon. Boys and girls in the Discord. We are, how many likes are we away? 15, 65 likes away. 65 likes. You guys think I'm kidding. If we're not at 250 likes, I swear to God, I literally will cancel this. I'll turn this damn bus around, and that'll ruin your precious field trip. All right, ES is about to reach. I mean, ES is basically hitting it right now. That wick high at 491. There's 491. There's Asia high. Guys, manage your trade however you would like. I'm going to go ahead and partial one off right here. But manage your trade however you guys would like. ES is reaching my target here. We'll see if NQ wants to reach up into this a little bit more. All right, guys, 4 minutes. 4 minutes. 59 likes to go. 59 likes to go, chat. You can do it. I believe in you. But yeah, would like to see just bullish order flow maintain here, right? Just continue. We got a bullish breaker here now. Would like to see this just continue. Three minutes, chat. 3 minutes, 56 likes away. Unusual joint activity detected. What's up, Lang? Thanks, man. Doing something different. I mean, not really. I was taking some peptides. Well, I still am taking some peptides, but just a cut for the summer, man. Started cutting in March. Like early March, very late February. Yeah, I don't know. Down. I was like, damn, man. I was like probably over 190 late February, early March. And now I'm like 160. So yeah, the cut went well, I guess you could say. Oh, just in time to get fattened back up in the winter. You know how it is. What's up, T Money? TG Capital in the building. What's up, man? Good to see you. Bro, I tried to have your back on X. What the fuck? They don't know. They don't know. They don't know, bro. They do, TG. That's the thing. That's the reason for the mustache. Yes. Mustache rides. Just another side hustle. You know how it is. You're out? Yeah, I'll probably exit this. I'll exit the one contract I have left running if we do like close below this breaker probably. Otherwise, we'll just let this one run. All right, guys. Oh my God, boys. What did I say? We're about to pick two winners here. Let's see who the two winners would have been. Let's see who the two winners would have been. We didn't hit 250 likes, so. No giveaway. That sucks. Sucks for you guys. Sucks for whoever won this. Let's see. Why is it taking so long? Oh. It's sparing somebody the heartbreak. BFX and Sovi. I mean, the rules were pretty fucking clear. I don't know what you want me to do. What am I supposed to do? Bjorn Saul, that is not you, is it? Is that you, Bjorn Saul? You're lying. Which one? That'd be crazy. I mean, guys, I put 10 minutes on the timer. It was a long ass giveaway. There was literally 500 people watching when I launched it. Literally, that just means half the chat is withholding a like. So, I mean, what do you want me to do? What can I do? Choya was waiting to see how the giveaway ended. Peace out, Choya. Bro, you won? I did. Yeah, people withholding their likes. Gonna ruin it for everybody. Yeah. I might not give away another account ever on stream again until we hit 250 likes. The fact that I got a beg for like 100 likes is fucking insane. It's actually insulting. Fuck it, go 300. Fuck it, go 500. 10x that shit. I mean, Sovi, what do you want me to do? Poker tournament for the chat. You can do a private game on ACR. What's ACR? That'd be kind of fun. There are better things to beg for, like this trade. Like this trade in this market not staying in a range forever. All right, I'm probably if we close below here, I'm probably just gonna cut this and call it. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna kill it there. Take the last one off. Take the last one off. I'm fully out. Asia high was all I wanted to give there. And this hourly looks like shite now. Nika says, you know what, guys? I like trading with y'all, even if y'all get on my nerves. But all right. I feel, see, here's my issue, boys. My issue is I still feel bad. I feel bad for the winners. So we'll honor it. We'll honor it. But no more giveaways going forward until we hit the 250. That's why I can't even launch them though early, because then this happens. Y'all can open up tickets and then we'll get you settled here. See, I'm too nice. I'm too nice. Too nice. But going forward, I swear, I put my foot down. I'm putting my foot down. Such a softie. I know, Nick. I know. But you got to think. Part of it, too, is it's like, these guys probably liked the stream. They can't control it if, like, everyone else wants to be rude. You know, if I was in their shoes, whatever. But, maybe I'll pick which accounts they get. Thank you, Surav. Appreciate that, man. If you check the monthly candle, will close in 6 days, and if it closes in hanging man, then a bearish follow-through candle will have high probability, and weekly double top is making what? What the fuck did you just say? He says if it closes in hanging man. What? Okay, hang on. Let's see. What is a hanging man? Let me see. He said the monthly candle. Hanging man. So that's like if this closes with a really big lower wick and like a small body up here, it looks like an inverted hammer. I call it an inverted hammer. But hanging man, is that what you call it? What else did he say? Then a bearish follow-through candle to get to the monthly low. We'll have a high probability and weekly double top. Yeah, I don't disagree, Harry. I don't disagree. I think that would be very, very likely, right? To then use this as a rejection block if price maybe wants to deliver there. But also then, yeah, look for this move down to this area here for sure. For sure, man. Do you take partials? Yeah, I do sometimes. It just depends, like, It just depends on like if my target gets hit on another asset, which it did today, like ES. ES was taking out this target. My final target on this trade was going to be this high way up here at 30,047. But ES took this out, that same structural high right here. So at that point, I did partial, and then obviously we got reversal off that high, so then I just closed after we got that breaker invalidated to just secure the rest. But yeah. So yeah, I do partial. Michael, I know, dude. Michael, I know. Fucking A, we need to get Michael. We need to take these. We need to take everybody in here to Catholic Mass. What do you say, Michael? What do you say? I'll show him. Better not say that. People get offended. Where price is going now? Feeling that bro, I don't know. I don't know. We took out Asia high. And all of this low resistant relative equal highs here. So perhaps we are going to come back down to that 518 that, you know, if you look at the 90-minute, like we got relative equal lows here as well. Big unmitigated gap here. But, I mean, just look at this range, man. This range is just actually ridiculous. It's actually ridiculous. Like, honestly, if you're not... like, if you're green from this today and you caught, like, a nice winning trade in this market, I would feel pretty good about that. Like, this is not easy market to trade in right here. And you could very easily be fooled, you know, or just chopped up, I guess. But, yeah. 15-minute gap there. Hard to say, man. Hard to say. Hard to say where we want to go from here. All right, peace out, Vincent. So much confluence not to go long after New York tap, higher time frame. So much confluence not to go long after New York tap, higher time frame, FEG sweep, and IFEG. Wish every day was like this. Oh, are you saying like the short right now, Crypto Surfer? Or are you talking about of the move down was the manipulation on the AMD move? Then wait, what? Of the move down was the manipulation on the AMD move, then up would be awesome. Oh, if. Yes, yes, I agree. Sorry, Crypto Surfer. My bad. My autism was coming out there, I think. Sir, it's not hammer, it's hanging man. Nah, it's definitely a hammer, Harry. Sorry, Harry. Definitely a hammer. Definitely a hammer. Didn't trust the long after coming close to the low. Fair enough. Fair enough, Contains Nuts. That was just my whole plan coming into the day. If you guys were on stream early, I literally said we had all these lows stacked up, and I just said, all right, if we take out these lows or the highs first, I'll go, you know, I didn't really care. I didn't really have a strong bias. I just said, let's manipulate one side of the range and then go target the other side. So that's really all I was working off of today. So yeah. But yeah, guys, hopefully you guys did well today. If you guys would like, drop your... Some of you guys may still be holding this. I just wasn't willing to sit through potential break even on the rest or retracement. So some of you guys may still be holding this. We are getting a 15-minute fair value gap fill here. Did we get a 1 minute? Once this candle closes, if it closes here, we'll get a 1 minute change in the state back up, which could, yeah, like right here. So potentially this could be confirming more upside, but I'm gonna just sit out on this. I don't really care for the market today after all this, so I'm gonna sit out. I'm not gonna play that. But if you do, good luck. What else am I going to say? I feel like I'm forgetting something. What am I forgetting? Today's Wednesday. I feel like I'm forgetting something, chat. What am I forgetting? Anything? Maybe I'm not forgetting anything. I don't know. If it comes to me, it'll come to me. But yeah, that'll probably be it for this morning for me. Don't even know if I'll trade the rest of the day or not. It just kind of depends. Nice bounce off that CISD, by the way. Tomorrow we do have red folder news, final GDP and core PC price index at 8:30. So we'll be back live tomorrow morning. Should be hopefully a little bit better day. Probably the best day of the week, given it's the only red folder news. I think Thursday and Friday should be better, hopefully. Post in the Discord when you remember. Yeah, I'll try to do that. But yeah, appreciate you guys as always. Don't be too big of a degen. Oh, I was just gonna tell you guys to post your trades in the Discord if you guys took any trades today in the shared trade section. That's what I was gonna do. I don't know how I forgot that, but yeah, let's see what trades you guys took before we head out here. And if you guys want to get funded, code Tyler. If you blew your account to smithereens today, code Tyler. Por favor. What happened here, Dom? Wanted to see these lows, but first I got wicked out. Second anyways. Dang, bro. I know it's a tough market. Here's the executions. Yeah, it's a tough market, man. Dang. Nice redemption though on the short here. Oh, you just shorted up here. Oh. Yeah. Just trading inside the range, man. Some people love doing that. I'm not a big fan of. I definitely prefer expansions. But yeah, if you some people thrive in these rangy conditions. Literally just like souping highs and lows. Now it's getting, there we go. What do we got here? Long stop out, and then you didn't replay it. Yeah. So yeah, for those of you guys that maybe showed up late, I did take 2 attempts on this long. So I'm 1 loss, 1 win. Tried longing here. What happened was we swept to this previous day low here, and then this is literally like right before the 10 a.m. macro. So in the 10 a.m. macro, we get this 1 minute change in the state here. Obviously, inversions as well on the 1 minute and 5 minute gave an inversion to the upside. And we had all of these highs still resting up here that I wanted to go target. So yeah, my first long attempt came inside this 1 minute FEG and CISD breaker. You could call this 1 minute unicorn, I guess. But yeah, this was my first long attempt. Got stopped out on that, obviously, and then replayed basically the same entry pretty much right here. All it gave was Asia high, so I mean, you know, top risk reward on this was just barely over 1R ultimately. So yeah, that was that though. 2 trades, 1 loss, 1 win. Dow Jones is still ripping, by the way. So yeah, man, if you guys are still trading today, good luck. If you guys damn. Michael, you sick son of a bitch. Congrats, man. Nice green day for you. Hell yeah. Love to see it. Love to see it. Congrats, man. But if you guys took anything else today, feel free to drop them in the trade section. Congrats to the giveaway winners, even though I'm being awfully nice. And yeah, man, if you guys want to get funded, code Tyler. Max discount on your favorite firm and supports the free stream. Hit the like button on your way out. And I will see you guys back here tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't be a degen today, boys and girls. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace and love, chat.
Wake up early, coffee to my lips. Tyler trade streaming, giving us tips. The NASDAQ hustle riding up high. Shorts on my playground, never asking why. ICT moves, smart money flows. Precision like an arrow, yeah, that's how it goes. Stop loss is shaking, but I hold my ground. Payouts stacking while the beats pound. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. Into running, we don't delay. pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Trader age every single day. Trendline snap, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age.